Morning, happy day 142 of day trading the stock market open or hyper scalping the stock market open. We are back in the office. Normal, beautiful sounding microphone. Beautiful webcam. We're back. We are back. Now, unfortunately, we don't have too many stocks worth watching. We have HWM, which is multi-day runner at this point, topped out at 770. We traded this yesterday? Did we trade this yesterday? HWM? I don't know. Oops. I don't know. Anyways, don't really care. So yeah. HWM. I got BBLG on this chart over here, but looks less than appetizing at the moment. Maybe I take a panic flush near 260. I don't know. We'll see. That's the bell. Let's see what we got going. That did not flash down that far. Fake news on that candle, BBLG. Fake news. You're not fooling anybody. 645 HWM. $656. Nice opening surge here. Oh, you know what? I didn't even think about the opening surge for HWM. That was a mistake. So we had a little pattern. We had a little flat top breakout here. A little wedge triangle. All right. There's 282. Whoa, she's still going, HWM. 690. She's going to test 7. Was this the one that felt like it was going parabolic yesterday? Topped out at 777. Oh, 3 sevens, you don't say. The casino's open, boys. Halt down 594. 30 seconds until a new minute. Pretty decent sized selling volume, but let's see where what happens with this candle here. BBLG is still kind of stuck in this range. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, new minute. 1 minute to make a new high would be right about, oh, nope, not yet. A little fake out. The problem with the 1 minute to make a new high here on HWM is it's right. You got this $7 area. Yawns a lot. Back in action. Let's change the scanner, see what happens. Okay. There's 1 minute to make a new high. Let's see if it rejects from 7 or see if it capitalizes and just rips through it. 699. How many traders are going to be looking for pullbacks? Probably a lot. There's 7 to 710. 714, 707. ZNB, have I looked at you yet, ZNB? Hey, yo, ZNB. Topped out at 261. Your daily charts look horrendous. Try to jump on that pullback, no love. All right, 3-3 market, pre-market high ZNB is. Issues at like 325. Oh, look at that candle. All right, HWH might be a tough one to catch today. Might be a tough one to catch. ZNB is just bossing here. We got a daily level 280. See how it reacts. Right through it, no problems. Okay, let's see how it reacts to 3 then. We're gonna need to pull back on this one too. We got a turquoise front side. We gotta get somewhat dialed over here. Need to get somewhat dialed. We got a big old gap from 510 to 1375. So I know we got a ways until 510, but let's wait for a nice little setup here. New minute. Oh, possible halt down HWM. Let's see if it false halts. That's yuck. That's gross. Possible halt down. Possible halt down. It's not, and it's locked in. Halt down. Brutal. Brutal red candle. All right. Let's focus on ZNB here then. Four, 3, 2, 1. New minute. I'm gonna play that safe. Let's get rid of these. Who was waiting for the pullback? Anybody? Was anybody waiting for this pullback? EMA. 266. There's some people waiting for the pullback. 15 seconds until a new minute. Half off. Gonna add over 281. If it goes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, new minute. Oh, didn't want that to push towards the EMA. Brutal. Still, brutal. Got chopped out there a little bit. Still looking to add over 281. Let's see how 281 reacts. If we take out 281, we probably test highs at 296, but I want to be out before it tests 3. $77, $75, $77, $76. There's 1 minute to make a new high. There's 81. Needed to come and test highs. Need to hold 80 for sure. $86. Wasn't going fast enough, so I jumped. All right, so the next setup, I might look for a bear trap here on HWH. It's showing a resumption at 485. Is that for real? I mean, that's like way down here. I'm not seeing any offering news or anything, so I don't know why that would have dumped so bad. Tough trading there for ZNB. That double top, that's gross. Pretty happy I'm not holding up through that range. 224. Hold down's 224. VWAP and a daily bounce could be like 240. We could get a relief bounce off this HWM resumption too if this does sink that far. Oh, I thought this was gonna take out 3. I thought ZMB was gonna take out 3. There's 299. Small sellers at 3. Yo, these wicks are crazy. 290. 293, 294, 91. It seems a little wicky up here. I don't know if I want to take the break out of 3. I don't want to get trapped in a topping tail and a nasty reversal. And I can't really play EMA because look how many, I mean, look at that last candle that it fell like 20 cents under EMA before it recovered. There's EMA there. Yeah, can't take that. A lot of buying coming in though. It's going to take out 3 now. 93. HWH got a 10-minute halt. Probably because it's, I mean, that's over $1. The resumption price is over $1 underneath the halt price. That's brutal. Drop a comment. Let me know if anybody got caught in that nasty, because I bet some people try to take that VWAP bounce there on HWH. Let me know if anybody got caught in that. There's 3. There's a break of 3. Ping ponging with 3. 309, 312, 313. Nice move through 3. 314. See if 3 holds now. And I'm going to wait for a new setup here. Good candle. Great candle. 326. We got a pivot from August 22nd at 326. So let's see if it takes that out. Then that opens up a little more range, and then it doesn't really get into the gap until after 5, but we got a ways until there's a rejection off of 327 off the dot. Pretty gross topping tail. So let's see. We gotta. This thing has to recover this area. $21, $24. It's flirting above the upper band of VWAP too, so we're gonna have to find an entry here pretty quick on this. Down near 3 would be kind of nice. EMA's at 299. Buyers at 310. Got too high of a fill. I got too high of a fill there. Let's see if this bounce works out. I wanted it near 3. I got 308, which is unfortunate. But the stock is strong. Half off. I want more through 320 if it goes. There's 14. Just going to take the profit here and look for re-entry maybe through 320. There's 20. Rejection from 20. Back to 20. Missed it. Missed that break of 20 to 28. Good call though. Good play. Ooh, topping tail, wicked. See, I might have gotten chopped on that candle. HWM's open. I'm gonna take a VWAP breakout if this goes. New halt down's 527. So the level 2 was not accurate for the resumption price. It was off by like $1. Big red candle, HWM. Gross. Is it gonna recover 3? MACD's rolling over into range bound territory. There's 3, rejected from 3. I mean, that might be a tough climb from 3 back to 330. Well, that's a quick recovery at 310. $303. This big candle has me a little worried here. BBLG, what are you up to? Oh, look at that beautiful bounce off the 200-day moving average from 258 to 280. Let's look for another panic flush on BBLG. Get this HWH out of here. One minute to make a new high is going to be over 311. Fake out for now. There she goes. Nope. Maybe another topping tail. We'll see. These topping tails are brutal for ZNB. So this might curl. This might curl and take out highs. Well, I guess it is already curling. Let's see if it takes out highs, though. BBLG, looking for a panic flush down to 260. I can't take this. This candle is already too big. I can't take that. I'm not going to risk that. There's a break of it, though, up to 341. What a quick reclaim there. It took 3 minutes to reclaim after that flush. Buyers there at 330. Those buyers got eaten. Alright, so these sell-offs are getting bought up pretty quickly. BBLG on the push. BBLG finally breaking out of its little range here. Also a pretty gross topping tail. Here comes a panic flush. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. More. Oh, that's weak. It's weak that it, it's a huge reversal, but it's weak that it didn't go any further. I wanted it to really crash. Oh, there's still time. There's a flash down to 266, but I didn't see that on the tape or level 2. It's big red volume. We got a little bit of a triangle forming here on Z and B also. Yikes. All of a sudden the bids are just kind of falling out on ZNB. It's not great. Not ideal. Tough to trade. ZNB looking thick up here again. Halt downs at 254. BBLG trying to push through 3. I don't know if BBLG can be trusted after that candle. I mean, there's a breakout out of the range and then a fall. Percentage-wise, I mean, that's a nasty fall. It's a 17% drop in 1 minute. But BBLG could trap some bears. All right, there's that ascending support line. Let's see if that holds. I'm not going to take that trade near 3 though, again. $20 seconds until a new minute. Two, one, new minute. MACD's officially rolled over for ZNB. BBLG, even though that has a nasty red candles, I mean, the MACD looks decent. The daily candles for BBLG looking like. You got a 100-day moving average at 370, but that's way far off. If we get over 320, we got some room. All right, let's see if this thing rejects again. There's the breakout, small breakout, but breakout nonetheless. Let's see if it rejects again. ZNB breaking that ascending support. Nope, I was looking for a move down. No luck. Go BBLG. You got 8 seconds till new minute. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Break 329. There's 329, 330. Oh, up to 341. Oh, what'd I do? Up to 340, 358. What a breakout. All right. The bears didn't come back in and attack that this time. Oh, might have spoke too soon. Panic flush off this daily support area. Got in pretty high, but scraping away. D7, looking at BBLG here, there's 58, there's a break of 58, 60, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68. This is getting extended over that upper band of VWAP here. This could get real interesting for BBLG. We have that 100-day moving average at 375, which is 4 cents away from where it topped out at so far. Where is it going to pull back to? That's kind of the question here. 369, there's a new minute to make a new high. 74, 71, 70. New highs there at 76. BBLG shares trading higher after CEO issued stockholder letter hiding NB1 clinical progress. All right, so we got, I didn't even read the news before. We got clinical trial news for BBLG. All right, let's try to play EMA. We're not going to come back to EMA, really? We're going to use the upper band of VWAP now for bounce areas? Say that ain't so. How many people are going to be waiting for a pullback here? "12 seconds until new minute 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Oh, how is that possible? I just got absolutely shafted on that exit. Good trade, though. Okay, possible bear trap, ZNB. It's looking pretty ugly. Oh, the tables have turned for ZNB. Oh, I did not get a fill. I got a late fill. Half off. All right, we're officially green on the day. That's a clawback after that first wicked trade. Wouldn't say wicked, it was just not accurate. You got a little bit more cheddar to go, but if this doesn't reclaim 385 here pretty quick, I'm going to have to jump. $62, $63. Let's hold down 293. VWAP's at right about 3. I don't want to rule Z and B out either. This could absolutely bear trap and then push 341. But do I want to sit here and wait for that to happen? Not really. 73, 82. VWAP here. Here's ZNB. Nope. There's the 1 minute to make a new high there for BBLG. Got to break 385. Ooh, we got the bear trap possibly forming for ZNB too. This might be less risky. Which one's going to be less risky? I feel like bears already ate here on ZNB and bears are waiting to eat for BBLG. Candles flirting with it. Gross topping tail BBLG. I'm gonna give this a go. Let it marinate for a little bit. Under 270, got to cut. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Didn't let it cook long enough. But green trade nonetheless. What is this 1 minute to make a new high? 288. Oh, there's a flash up, or a flash green rather. Topping tail, small topping tail, but not a great looking topping tail. Hold VWAP for the people. Hold VWAP for the people. I'm gonna get out of here. Small green day. After the first trade was red on, what was it, HWM. Small red. Capitalize that back with ZNB and BBLG. I'm out of here. Spread love. Be good to each other. Drop a comment. Drop a like. Let me know how y'all did in the comments. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.